Locate the position on your map where each earthquake occurred and place an E at that position for an earthquake or a V at that position for a volcano. For example, earthquake number 1 is located by following the line lettered Y to the right until it crosses the line numbered 3. Draw a dot at the intersection of Y and 3 and label it E for earthquake. When you have plotted all of the earthquakes, then plot the volcanoes in the same way. These represent only a small sample of the many earthquakes and volcanoes that have occurred in these regions. Place your picture of your map that's colored on top of my black and white one, and then take a screenshot of this slide. Then we're going to open it in photos to place the earthquakes and volcanoes on the map. So, all right, there's my map in my photos. So I'm going to click edit. Okay, and then in the upper right hand corner, you'll see the gray circle with the 3 dots. So we're going to click on that, and we want to select markup. All right, so now we want to select one color for earthquakes and one color for volcanoes. So I'm going to pick blue for earthquakes and green for volcanoes, since blue and green are our school colors. All right, so earthquakes, I'm gonna pick a pink here. So while I'm talking and want to point things out, I can use pink, okay? So we've got earthquakes right here, and our first earthquake is at Y3. So we're gonna find Y on the list of letters over here on your left-hand side. Okay, so here's Y right there. And then along the bottom, we're going to use the numbers down here, okay, to locate the number. So we're going to use 3 right here. So we're going to follow 3 up and Y over. And where those two intersect, we're going to put a dot, and I said blue for earthquakes. So I'm going to put my blue dot here, and I'm going to put an E for an earthquake. Okay. All right, so earthquake number 2 says Y and 4. So I've got Y identified. Here's 4 down here, so I'm going to follow Y, 4. They're right next to each other. So there's another earthquake. Okay, so label that E. Okay, we're just going to keep going. So the third one is V and 4.5. Oh gosh, it goes from 4 to 5. So where's 4.5? If you said halfway in between, you're right. Okay, so I'm going to find V on my map. Okay, and the middle, right in between 4 and 5. I'm going to go up where this crosses V. Looks right about there. So I'm going to put my dot, and I'm going to mark an E for an earthquake. Okay. Now, you're going to do the same exact thing for the volcanoes, except pick a different color, okay? So I'm going to pick green. And now the first one is at Y3. Well, look at Y3 is an earthquake. Y3 is a volcano also. So I'm going to find Y3. That was the first one. I'm going to add a little green dot there and put a V on my map as well. Okay. The next volcano is at V5. So here's V and here's 5. So where those two cross, it's like right about there, there's a volcano. All right, so we're just going to keep going that direction. Okay, the next one is Q. Wow, that's way down here, right? Oh, no, it's kind of in the middle. I forgot. the alphabet's upside down on this one. Okay, element LMNOPQ. So here's Q right there and 2.5. So that's going to be in between 2 and 3. So Q is going to be right there. And there's a volcano. Wait, there's a volcano in the middle of the ocean? Why, yeah. It's called Hawaii. All right, so you're just going to keep doing that until you've done all the earthquakes and all the volcanoes. And then you're going to click Done. Okay, and click Done again. All right, and then we're going to click out of our pictures and go back to our slides. All right, so, oops, I'm going to get out of the present mode. I'm going to go back to that slide. Now, to insert the work that we've done, we're going to click and hold on slide number 3, and then let go. And you'll notice, look at the top on the right, things have changed. Okay, we've got scissors, and we've got the copy, and we've got the clipboard and the trash, right? Okay, and then we've got the box with the dots around it, and then the eyeball, and then we have a box with a paint can in the middle of it. We're gonna, I wonder, oh, no, I can't draw. Anyway, so the square with the paint can in it, we're gonna touch that, and it says background and background image. We're gonna change the background to the map that we just marked all of our earthquakes and volcanoes on, okay? So where it says background image, we're going to click on that arrow, and we saved it in our photos. So we're going to do from photos, and then here's my earthquake and volcano picture that I just got done. We're going to select that, and there it is. All right, so now you're ready to answer some, let's see, we need to click, in the upper left-hand corner, click the X so we can get out of that, okay? So now you can click slide 4 and you can answer the questions, okay? And then turn it into Canvas when you're done.